Hello, I'm meteorologist Adam Baker, and this is your weekly weather briefing. So to kick off the forecast period, we're looking at a greater storm threat today as several disturbances track into the area from the northwest. This will increase our rain chances to pretty much likely across the entire area. Computer guidance doesn't give us the best consensus as far as the coverage of storms this afternoon, but we are thinking that by this afternoon into evening, the solution you see in the top left is probably your best bet. Increased coverage across the north and central Georgia, and some of the daytime heating ramping up chances for thunderstorms mainly in central Georgia. And we are looking at a marginal risk for severe weather aside from the far northern tier. Anywhere south of a Rome to Athens line could see some isolated severe storms. The main threats would be damaging winds, frequent lightning, and locally heavy rainfall. The main time period would be until about 10 p.m. this evening. And it may seem like a broken record for some of you, but we still have heat concerns in east central parts of the area. Looking at a heat advisory through 6 p.m. today, and some heat indices up to 109 in this area. So make sure that you take the right safety precautions with this dangerous heat. As we move into Friday, we are looking at some drier air coming into the area from the northwest. This should limit thunderstorm potential, but pretty much anywhere could still see some thunderstorms. Can't rule out something strong to severe, but less chance than today. And Friday, also hot with heat indices in east central Georgia near 105 to slightly higher. So we could very well see another heat advisory in this area. This might be the last one in the next 7 days based on our current forecast. So there is some light at the end of the tunnel. And by the weekend into early next week, we will see a ridge of high pressure building back into the area. This will primarily serve to limit rainfall chances to mainly northeast Georgia. Across the area, we still are looking at high temperatures generally in the low 90s, so it will be pretty hot. But the heat indices, when you combine it with the moisture, should stay below advisory levels. Also, we're looking at a potential tropical system off the east coast, but it shouldn't impact our area as far as rainfall. It should actually help bring in more dry area behind it if it does strengthen. So that would be a good thing for our area. And towards the end of the forecast period, as we go into midweek next week, we do see some of those rainfall chances ramp back up, and some of the daytime highs are looking to be slightly warmer as well. So in summary, your greatest chance of any storms look to be today across the area and farther south for tomorrow. Some storms could be strong to severe, but better chances of severe are today. Dangerous heat continues today and tomorrow, with some areas in east central Georgia at least 105 degrees for heat indices. And we see a break in rainfall chances for the weekend into Monday, with ramping back up by next week, midweek. Thanks, and see you again next week.